Plant your next idea in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where planet-friendly brands such as LUŠT are growing tasty tomatoes from non-genetically modified seeds, watered mainly with rainwater and pollinated only by bumblebees. Years of experience have turned LUŠT into a green innovator, which produces tomatoes in both winter and summer with the help of geothermal energy. Today, its team handpicks over 5,000 tons of high-quality tomatoes each year and grows them in a heated and glass-covered growing area. By using cutting-edge and eco-friendly technology, LUŠT provides tomatoes outside the regular production season.
In our company, we manage everything with a lot of care. Our employees look after the plants, giving them all the attention they need. In return, the plants bear delicious red tomatoes again and again. We supply most of the largest retailers in Slovenia after only 13 years of operation. By having an excellent geographic position in strategic terms, we envision becoming the leading supplier and producer of vegetables locally and an important supplier to all bordering countries.
The company's commitment to sustainable goals is demonstrated by many renowned awards. From its ingenious paper bags made out of tomato plant stems to its circular economy cycle of waste material. With green solutions, such as the smart tomato production, LUŠT contributes to people's health and the reduction of overall negative impacts on the planet. By being green, creative and smart, LUŠT is an example of the flourishing Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Let your future blossom in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.